This is a broccoli and cheddar soup in the Ninja soup maker. These are the only ingredients that you need to make this really simple soup. To prepare the potato, just chop it up into little cubes. You can leave the skin on. There's no need to peel it, just give it a good wash. So add an onion, followed by a clove of garlic. Then you can use the chop function to get the onion and garlic chopped up really small. It's just really handy for fitting more ingredients in, especially with the broccoli, because it takes up quite a lot of space. Then add the chopped potatoes into the soup maker first. Then you can prepare the broccoli. So you can use the whole of the broccoli, the stalk, the leaves, absolutely everything. Just chop them up as small as you can, really, and they'll cook more thoroughly in the soup maker. So add them to the jug along with the potatoes. Then I've got some dried mixed herbs here, about 1 teaspoon. Then I've used some vegetable stock powder. So I add 3 teaspoons straight to the soup maker jug on top of the raw ingredients. I don't bother making it up with hot water. As you'll see, I'll just add the hot water later on. So then we're going to add the rest of the broccoli. You can squash it down a little bit to fit it in. And don't worry if it goes over the maximum hot water line. That is just for the liquids, that line. So you can, I don't know if you can see that properly, you can add ingredients above the line. So if we add some hot water now to the soup maker jug. Really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. It really helped me to carry on making more videos. So we're going to set the soup maker off using the smooth soup function. That's a 30-minute cycle. And you'll see that it will run through various different stages, such as boiling, simmering, and then some really fast speed blending right at the end. And you'll see that the soup comes out really smooth. It's really good. It's one of the best soup makers, I think, for creating a smooth soup, even with lots of quite tough ingredients in there. So at the end of the cycle, you can see it's still bubbling away there. It's really hot. So I like to add the grated cheddar cheese now, and then pop the lid back on, and then just manually blend it just for 10 seconds, and it will blend in and melt in really nicely. And next, once you pour your soup out, if you're going to be having it now, just pour the soup into the bowl. And then what I like to do is add even more grated cheese into my soup, because I do like it with lots of cheese in there. Obviously, you can just enjoy it like this. You don't have to add more cheese. So just sprinkle it on top as much as you want to. You can season it as well once you've had a little taste of it. And then just stir it round with a spoon, and yeah, it tastes really good with some nice warm bread dunked in as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this soup maker recipe. Don't forget to check out the rest.